don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the KF Confed Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Zesco 0. I'm joined by Ubaba Umnigen Wagamtu.
Amavenzo to TV.
Short time around.
Asiye lapha ku Chiefs ngizobingelela ekugcineni ngoba zosuke kuphela i-airtime ngisakhuluma.
Yes, time around.
Yeah.
Yes.
uPeterson. Thiwa Mr Clean Sheet.
Yes, time.
Kuthiwa bayibeka ngesilungu bethi has never been tested. Kuthiwa akaze efakwe ebhodweni clean sheet we fake.
Yes, time around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uthi true i fake.
Not fake.
Ngizokuphendula ke ngoba usevumile umuntu wekhosi wathi true i fake.
Yes.
uPeterson ngasho ngathi i-backline yakhe iyamlalela uyayisebenza ukuze ikwazi ukuvika ukuthi engashayo.
Yes.
Kodwa namhlanje ibhobokile. Bamshaya walichitha ibhola ngo left kwaba yikhona kick.
Yeah.
Babuya futhi ngenye ikhona kick bamshaya walichitha la yaphambili balibuyisa wavuka nalo walikhipha ngenhla kwaba yikhona kick.
Short time around.
Second half bamshaya ngenye into akayichithe kanje angazi noma icamera yafika la mangithi.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kushuthi ke laba kade bethi ke uPeterson uyimbobo ukusebenza ama defense kuphela.
Yeah.
Babonile namhlanje ukuthi ukwenza konke.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngidlule kuPeterson. Peterson uyaya ku World Cup noma uyi ungabulawa ukuthi ku World Cup awuyanga.
Yeah.
Yebo, best players are not tested by short-term tournaments. They are tested by leagues and consistency over a period of time.
And
Yebo.
yeah.
Bese sibuye futhi. Pule Modi. I'm not happy about him.
Why?
He plays good football. He gets into spaces. He can tackle. He can pass.
Yeah.
But I don't know when he enters the final third of the opponent.
Short time around.
He doesn't make that killer pass. So I'm not happy about that.
Yeah, bam.
If he is not careful, he's going to be a youngster until he retires.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he needs to pick up his socks. Yeah. He has a potential. Him, Modi, Vilagazi, and Dushabalala.
Yes, time around.
They have a potential to reach the stage, the level of Tabang Libisi, Frank Makua, and Thabo Moki. They have that potential. Yeah. But it seems as if somehow, we are not the same. Some people need to put extra work. They need to come early to training, 30 minutes before, 15 minutes before. Yeah. Just practice. Yeah. Just take your kid to the nearest sports ground. Try to play through balls for him. Try to take shots at goal. These three players, they are playing, but there is a possibility that they may be youngsters until they retire. And I am not joking. And then you check Lilebo. Yeah. I was so enthusiastic last week that I forgot to congratulate him for that goal that he scored. Yeah. Some say it's a helicopter goal. Some say it was a mistake.
Yes.
But according to me, he was scoring from that difficult angle. And that goal, it was going to compete with Jensen's goal against Sundowns, Mbogazi's goal, but because of the angle, I give it to him. According to me, that is the goal of the season. And I don't need any debate.
Yes, Tamala. Yes,
Ndlovu was sleeping today. Yeah, he slept.
Polo.
Gacheni, not Mapolo. Gacheni, yeah. Gacheni, he went to sleep today. He didn't play even some balls. He was losing some balls that he was not supposed to lose. Yes, I think he's got no balls right now because he lost them all today. But yeah, yes. No. When we count the balls that should have led, that should have reached the teammate.
Yes.
He lost all of them, so he's got no balls.
More than 2.
Yeah, more than 2.
Yeah, more than 2. More than 2, Kimubon.
All the
Yeah.
Chiefs need to improve their interchange, their passing. There is that element that is missing in the middle of the park. Somebody that can control the game, somebody that can hold the ball when you expect him to pass when we expect him to hold, and sometimes do the obvious. So that person is missing at Chiefs. It's not a person that is missing, but it's that ball. There is Ngobo. He plays beautifully, but also as well, I don't think he puts that extra effort that I want this thing. You know, the body language. Let me make an example. I don't want to talk about Pirates, but I'm just making an example. There are 2 balls that were passed to Mbutuma yesterday.
Yes.
And he didn't get those balls. He hated himself for it. You could see when he was walking, the body language.
Frustrated.
He was... if you can ask him, he will say, I scored yesterday, but I should have scored 3.
Yeah.
So that thing is important, that a player gets frustrated.
Yes.
But these 3 Kaizer Chiefs players, these 4 Kaizer Chiefs players that I'm talking about, Modi, Vilakazi, Shabalala, Ngobo, their body language doesn't say we want this thing. Yeah, so my friends will get to them or get to their relatives. Yes. They will tell them it's not negative. I'm not fighting with them. I'm the father of development. So I support development. I support players who are trying. I support youngsters. I support players who get introduced from within a team. That is what I like. So, Bafana Bagiti, Zesco, I think I've seen some of them working for butcheries, and then they only train in the afternoon, not taking anything away from Chiefs. Chiefs are known to be 1-0 wonders. They do that beautifully, winning 1-0.
Yes, Tamala.
But Zesco, they couldn't control the ball. Even when a player is passed, you can see, man. It's like ungathi ibhola ligqome chain. Ayiphaselwe ibhola ungathi uphasele itshe lifike lithi gqo libaleke liyela lithanda khona. Ababahle angazi noma ba train kahle noma bethuswe imabhida kodwa nangevike edlula abangichazanga kodwa nje bona ibhola labo abadlalayo alilihle.
Makaza say roots.
Yeah, but to all the players who are No, because it's not professional. I once watched Manchester United playing. Pogba missed a clear chance, and he was smiling, and the commentator said, "That is not professional. He should have buried that chance." Yeah, it's not professional. So the way they are playing, it's not professional. So the Kaizer Chiefs defense, again, they proved, though they were broken 3 or 4 times, but they proved that they can play better. They are that defense that you need in a team. But I'm saying it again. Going forward to the front, scoring 1 goal is very dangerous.
I agree.
Because in the end, remember 98? I think you remember, Steve, 1998.
I wasn't born yet.
Oh, okay. your parents remember, or your uncle, they remember.
Yes.
Kaizer Chiefs was fighting for the league with Mamelodi Sundowns. Yes. Kaizer Chiefs had to score, I think, 5 goals in the last game. But then Ndlanya was scoring goals and then taking the ball back to the center, scoring another one. But then Sundowns started scoring that side. So now instead of 5, it goes to 6. Then when Sundowns scores, it goes to 7. Then the opponent gets 1 goal against you. So it goes up to 8. I think by the end of the game, they had to score 9 goals. So that is winning 1-0 is good. It's 3 points, but it's dangerous. What if your opponent scores? I'm asking you now. What if your opponent scores? You're going to play a draw, or you're going to lose a game. But Chiefs is a beautiful team. I need them alive. That's why I speak positive. Some they even call me Kosi when they see me speaking. No, I'm speaking football here. I'm not being a fan. We are speaking football. But yesterday I was a fan. Then I didn't say some of the things because I was so excited about not the arena, the arena.
Pinda tamalami.
Not arena. Arena. We have transformed transferred Orlando Township
Yeah.
to something like Umhlanga. And to say Umhlanga is also not good. Umhlanga.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we are getting there.
Yeah.
But players must learn to always check your game, watch your videos, watch. It's all over the. You don't need to ask your management. You go to YouTube, you go to your TV, you go to your repeats.
Yeah.
You can see and then see where am I lacking so that you can improve. Remember, Dr. Kumalo was never a tackler, but at one stage when he was playing for Kaizer Chiefs, he was benched and Humphrey Mlwane was playing. A journalist asked, why are you not playing Dr. Kumalo, asking Paul Dolezal. Paul Dolezal said, I don't need a lady player. I need a strong man like Humphrey Mlwane.
Yeah.
Then Doctor started tackling and he went back to the team.
Yeah.
So you always learn something. I told you, I've been in love with my wife for 29 years now.
Yeah.
But I'm still learning to love her better. Every day I'm learning to love her better.
Yes, Tamalab, yes, you are improving.
It's her who can say if I'm improving or not. I'm not sure, but I keep trying.
Yeah.
I keep trying.
All the tricks.
all the time.
And remember, we're getting into the love month. Talking
Yeah.
massive things.
Yeah, no. Sometimes the love month is fake.
Yeah.
Because people only love each other that day. Then on the 15th, they say, hey, the Valentine's was yesterday. So, momentum, keep it rolling. Thank you.